Louis Isidore Kahn, the mystic of modern architecture. Some architects designed buildings. Louis Isidore Kahn designed monuments to time itself. Louis Isidore Kahn, born February 20th, 1901, in what is now Estonia, would go on to become one of the most revered architects of the 20th century. Known for blending the clean lines of modernism with the timeless dignity of ancient monuments, Kahn's works stand apart, monumental, poetic, and deeply human. Kahn was born at Salk Institute. His family emigrated to Philadelphia when he was a child, escaping hardship and seeking opportunity. Here, he studied architecture at the University of Pennsylvania, absorbing the Beaux-Arts tradition under Paul Kret, a foundation that would later merge with his fascination for ancient and medieval forms. In 1928, a trip to Europe changed everything. While many modernists were captivated by the machine age, Kahn was drawn to the weight and permanence of medieval architecture. Castles, fortifications, and stone cities. This influence would define his mature style, buildings that feel eternal, grounded, and monumental. Kahn's career truly blossomed in his 50s. The Salk Institute in California, a temple for science where light and space inspired discovery. The Kimbell Art Museum in Texas, a masterclass in natural light and proportion. The National Assembly Building in Dhaka, Bangladesh, a monumental symbol of democracy, fusing modern geometry with local tradition. And finally, for Freedom's Park in New York, completed decades after his death, a serene memorial to Franklin D. Roosevelt. Kahn was often described as a mystic, a guru of architecture. His conversations about design were philosophical, almost spiritual, yet his personal life was complex. A story explored in the Academy Award-nominated documentary, My Architect, made by his son Nathaniel. As Philip Johnson once said, he was his own artist. He was free compared to me. On March 17, 1974, returning from a site visit to the Indian Institute of Management in Ahmedabad, Kahn died of a heart attack in Penn Station, New York. His passing went unnoticed for 2 days due to a tragic communication lapse. In his briefcase were the designs for Freedom's Park, his final gift to the world. In just 2 decades of mature work, Louis I, Kahn joined the ranks of Le Corbusier and Mies van der Rohe. His buildings are not just structures. They are spaces for reflection, community, and the human spirit. Architecture is a thoughtful making of space, Kahn once said. And in that space, he left us room to dream.